Hi, it's me again with Corel Draw Tips and Tricks. And just earlier this afternoon, I made a video on making this knife jig. And if you haven't watched that one, it's pretty cool if you want to watch. But I cut out this hole, and I mentioned in the video I had it taped down. I have the MDF taped down. So I'm using a scrap piece of wood. But I don't want to do it again if the knife doesn't fit. And there's several videos that show you how to trace this off a photograph. And so if you want to, you can just search my videos and search photo, and a bunch of them will come up. But let's say you've cut this out and you selected it and only cut this out. You don't want to cut this out, but it didn't quite fit. It needs to be a little bit bigger. Now, if it's too big already, you might have to start off with a newer piece. But you want it snug. So go up to Effects, Contour. I'm going to contour to the outside 0.009, and then zoom in here and you can see the difference, and then go up to Arrange and break contour apart and hit your red line, which is your original. And now you've got to run the job again. The laser will cut this. You won't actually cut anything off. It's just burning that edge and making it a little bit bigger. What is left there will just burn and smoke away. But let's say it still doesn't fit. Well, you can do it again. Maybe it almost fits and you want to go a little bit. I had to do it myself. So I want to change it because I'm contouring in black. I want to change this hairline to a red just so I'll know. Now this time let's contour 0.003, which is a minute little contour. But if you rerun it, and you don't want to run both these lines, so you want to go to Arrange, break contour apart, click on the red and hit delete, and then run that job, and it will just, basically it's cutting away nothing, but just making a little bit bigger hole. I mean, there won't be any wood left. It'll fly off in your exhaust fan. It'll be so thin, because 0.003 is a minute amount. But you can see how this knife fit in there nicely. And if you want a little more information on there, you can watch that video too. But anyway, I hope that helped a little bit. Thank you for watching.